Good morning, YouTube. So we have this Toyota Corolla right here in for our silver detail package. So we're gonna go ahead and do a wash, clay bar, and wax. Engine bay detail under the hood here. And pretty much it's gonna be a full detail. So you guys are gonna see the condition on the interior. And here are the door panels. You guys can see we're gonna go ahead and steam and shampoo all of the interior fabrics and seats, as well as detail, of course, between cracks, crevices. Of course, these weather tacks gotta come out. Floor mats, gonna go ahead and dress those, clean them up nice and good. Give the carpet a very good vacuum. This is probably gonna need our drill brush because I hate Toyota carpet. And we have the cup holders there. It's looking very nasty in here. You guys can take a look at the door jambs. It's the back seats, floor mats right there. Just a bunch of mud from construction work and stuff like that. Seats are all torn up right there. A lot of stains. Good thing is they're not up here, just at the bottom there. It's easier. Around this way, got dirt in between the rubber right there. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so we just finished the detail on this Toyota Corolla. We did touch up the headlights for the client, and then we also did the engine bay here. So you guys can see it looks a lot cleaner than what it was. We cleaned the wheels and tires as well. Hubcap, so there's no inner wheel well. Made sure we clay barred the outside as well, and shined it up with our technician's choice spray sealant. So it's looking nice and clean, nice and shiny. All these edges and stuff were extremely dirty. We tried to rinse them off, but you know, we did the best we could. Not all of it came off. Also cleaned up the gas cap, of course. Trunk was done, and then we shampooed the entire interior of the car. So we did the wheels, not the wheels, we did the carpet and the seats, and then we also did the headliner up there. You guys can kind of see. Door jambs, of course, were also done. You guys can see. Cup holders were cleaned. Dash, vents, steering wheel, literally everything in this detail was done to this car because it needed it. So gonna go ahead and call the client out, accept payment, head off to the next client, and enjoy the rest of our day. If you liked the video so far, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys at the next client's location. Let's go.